Number 16, it takes 2.4 ounces of chocolate to cover 1 pound of almonds. The model represents the amount of chocolate needed to cover 3.6 ounces of almonds. Okay, based on the model, how many ounces of chocolate will it take to cover 3.6 ounces? So basically, you have your model, which is already given. You can also locate it like this. That's 3, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that the overlay on top of each other is this: 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 2, 4. They want to find the actual product. Where does it overlay on top of each other? So you multiply. So you're going to do 4 times 6 is 24. Carry your 2. That's 12 plus 2 is 14. Put a 0. 3 times 2, or excuse me, 3 times 4 is 12. Carry your 1. 3 and 2 is 6. 7. So you have a 144 and a 720. 4, 6, and 8. You have 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Your answer is 864.